This is a test of the Civil Emergency Alert System of Stark County. This is only a test. This test is being conducted to ascertain if the emergency alert system is functioning properly and allow system technicians to check the equipment. This is only a test. In the event of a real emergency, this service will be activated by the Stark County Sheriff in conjunction with Time Warner Cable and your city and township officials to alert your home of any danger for you and your family. It's been a test of the Civil Emergency Alert System. Please pardon the interruption to your regular television viewing.
You'll top out at a pretty warm 87, but look at the heat. 90s, mid-90s, KC to St. Louis. Scott?
All right, so will you need wipers or the AC for your first ride
So
to
that's
work
the
for
emergency
new week?
alert
The answer's ahead.
system.
Then flee
Whenever
with
we
possessions.
have
That's
a
the
local
drill in
area
eastern Arizona
emergency,
as a
this pops up.
wildfire blazes ahead. The weather
Mostly
that could
for local
complicate the
area
firefight
emergencies.
by air and on ground.
We get like
and rising
trees
water
down,
drives more
power
people from their
outages,
homes as the
when
Missouri
storms hit,
River
or
continues to swell.
snowstorms,
Find
or
out
any
where a
heavy
levee's
storms
given
that
way
hit.
and when more water could be released to ease the flooding along
So,
the
yeah.
river.
They actually use the local area emergency as a test.
Because they've discovered the power of
Instead of
Aveeno
using
Daily
civil
Moisturizing
authorities
Lotion.
required or
The
required
only one that
monthly test.
nourishes with active naturals oats. It's clinically proven to seal in moisture.